Hi friends, I am Vishal Prajwal. Students, are you happy? Students, yesterday topics covered prokaryotic cells, cell envelope and its modifications, ribosomes and inclusion bodies. Students, today topics covered is eukaryotic cells, cell membrane, cell wall. Student, today starting new topic eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. The eukaryotes include all the protists, plants, animals, and fungi. In eukaryotic cells, there is an extensive compartmentalization of cytoplasm through the presence of membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotic cells possess an organized nucleus with a nuclear envelope. In addition, eukaryotic cells have a variety of complex locomotory and cytoskeletal structure. Their genetic material is organized into chromosomes. And eukaryotic cells are not identical. Plants and animal cells are different as the former possess cell walls, plastids, and a large central vacuole which are absent in animal cells. Animal cells have centrioles which are absent in almost all plant cells. Next topic is cell membrane. The cell membrane is mainly composed of lipids and proteins. The major lipids are phospholipids that are arranged in a bilayer. The lipids are arranged within the membrane with the polar edge towards the outer side and the hydrophobic tails towards the inner part. This ensures that the nonpolar tail of saturated hydrocarbons is protected from the aqueous environment. Phospholipid membrane also contains cholesterol. Cell membrane also possesses protein and carbohydrates. The ratio of protein and lipid varies considerably in different cell types. In human beings, the membrane of erythrocytes has approximately 52% protein and 40% lipids. Membrane proteins can be classified as integral and peripheral. Peripheral proteins lie on the surface of membrane, while the integral proteins are partially or totally buried in the membrane. The structure of cell membrane was proposed by Singer and Nicholson in 1972, widely accepted as fluid mosaic model. According to this, the quasi-fluid nature of lipid enables lateral movements of proteins within the overall bilayer. The ability to move within the membrane is measured as its fluidity. The fluid nature of the membrane is also important from the point of view. Functions like cell growth, formation of intercellular junction, secretion, endocytosis, cell division, etc. One of the most important functions of the plasma membrane is the transport of the molecules across it. The membrane is selectively permeable to some molecules present on either side of it. Many molecules can move briefly across the membrane without any requirement of energy, and this is called passive transport. Neutral solutes may move across the membrane by the process of simple diffusion along the concentration gradient, that is from higher concentration to the lower. Water may also move across this membrane from higher to lower concentration. Movement of water by diffusion is called osmosis. As the polar molecules cannot pass through the nonpolar lipid bilayer, they require a carrier protein of the membrane to facilitate their transport across the membrane. As few ions or molecules are transported across the membrane against their concentration gradient, that is, from lower to higher concentration. Such a transport is an energy dependent process in which ATP is utilized and is called active transport. Example: sodium or potassium pump. Next topic is cell membrane. A non-living rigid structure called the cell wall forms an outer covering for the plasma membrane of fungi and plants. Cell wall not only gives shape to the cell and protects the cell from mechanical damage and infection. It is also help in cell to cell interaction and provides a barrier to undesirable macromolecules. Algae have cell wall made of cellulose, galactose, mannose, and minerals like calcium carbonate. While in other plants, it consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectins, and proteins. The cell wall of a young plant cell, the primary cell, is capable of growth which gradually diminishes as the cell matures, and the secondary wall is formed on the inner or towards membrane side of the cell. The middle lamellae is a layer mainly of calcium pectate which holds or glues the different neighboring cells together. The cell wall and middle lamellae may be traversed by plasmodesmata, which connect the cytoplasm of neighboring cells. Students, are you understand these topics?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Students, asking the question, you tell the answer. All eukaryotic cells are identical or non-identical?
Sir, all eukaryotic cells are identical.
Oh, very good. Next question. In human beings, the membrane of the erythrocytes has approximately dash percent of protein and dash percent of lipids.
Sir, in human beings, the membrane of the erythrocytes has approximately 52% protein and 40% lipids.
Oh, very good. Tell me functions of fluidity.
Sir, functions like cell growth, formation of intercellular junctions, secretion, endocytosis, and cell membrane.
Oh, very good students. Students, we will continue in tomorrow class.